alternative method to creating floor plans from individual walls is to use the Room tool. The Room tool enables you to create a floor plan by using drag and drop predefined room shapes from the tool options catalog. Left-click on the worksheet to set the start point of room. Now, move your cursor and the wall will follow the cursor's direction. Another left-click to set the second corner point of room. Move the walls and set the last point to create a rectangular room. You can add multiple rooms this way by snapping them on together. You may also set the corners of the room by entering the distance manually. Overwrite the numeric data and press apply or hit enter. There are other room options available in the Rooms catalog. Let's try L-shaped room. Now, you have 4 points to set to complete an L-shaped room. Click on each corner point until the last point. You may notice that the default reference axis is on the center of each wall. That means the wall length is measured from center to center of each wall. You can change this in the tool options. Navigate through the axis options. You'll see 4 options in the drop-down menu. Inner side of wall, center axis of inside wall, outer side of the inside wall and outer side of exterior wall.